everyone! I know it could be really hard saving when there are so many fun things to do in the city, but that shouldn't stop you from having the best summer ever. So today I'm going to show you our 5 ideas of what you could do to have fun in the summer on a student budget. Let's go! My favorite thing to do in the summer is go for a swim. It's really refreshing and super healthy. I'm really hot right now, so I'm probably going to go jump right in after this. But we're going to put some links down in the description for you to check out where the pools are closest to you so you could get really refreshed. Another thing that you can do in the summer that doesn't cost anything at all, if you have any plants or veggies at home, you can actually use the seeds or the roots from those vegetables or those fruits to plant them. So I'm going to use the onion as a really easy example. All you have to do is chop the onion, keep the core, like the middle part, so the roots, and then plant them 1 inch into the soil with the roots facing down. And it only takes about 100 to 175 days or so for onions to mature. So if you plant them in the spring, you'll easily be able to harvest them in the fall. If you're like me and you love being outdoors, this is like a really easy way to just get outside and enjoy nature. Something I love to do in the summer is go on a picnic with my friends or my boyfriend. We just grab some food from home, some snacks, and we come and we bring our blanket, and it's really awesome if you bring your phone for some music or a speaker. It really adds to the fun. You just hang out, listen to tunes, and talk and eat your snacks at the park. You can find some parks in your area, even if it's just a small little grassy area. Anything works, and it's a really fun time, so I definitely recommend trying it out. Another thing you can do in Toronto during the summer for free is catch a free flick. A lot of parks offer free screenings, and all you have to do is search it up. So grab your lawn chair and your best friend and go enjoy a movie in the park. A really cool and easy thing to do in the summer is a do-it-yourself photo shoot. If you want to brighten up your feed with some pretty flowers, there's a lot of gardens and conservatories in Toronto that are perfect for photo shoots. So you can come with a friend or just by yourself and take some really amazing photos. And yeah, like I said, brighten up that Instagram feed. So those are our 5 ideas of free things to do in the summer. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and we really want to know one of your ideas of free things to do in the summer, so leave that in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!